The journey, which started in 2016 by the Bengal Chamber of Commerce and Industry, is a unique initiative which showcased the heritage of Bengal in the realm of handloom, embroideries, and traditional weaves of Bengal. The Bengal fashion heritage has become a brand now and always tried to bring out the current and the relevant issues pertaining to this industry sector. Our theme for the third edition of TBFH 2021 will highlight the needs of sustainability and continuation of business for livelihood in this unprecedented time. The fashion industry globally took a hard hit in 2020. From material to supply chain, every aspect of industry was affected badly and had a tremendous effect on the livelihood of the weavers and artisans related to this profession. This critical situation, on the other hand, has created an opportunity to rethink so as to introduce sustainable approaches towards continuation of business. And that's why we are taking on a digital route. The Digital Rendezvous will be a relevant and significant platform for discussing the works of the artisans, focusing on the continuation of business in this unprecedented time and in this sector. So we are happy to have an international and national panelists, and we do hope through our panel discussion on January 15, 2021, we will be able to highlight some of the alternate approaches or methodologies which will show a path towards improving livelihood in the days to come. So join us at 3 p.m. January 15, 2021 on the Bengal Chamber's digital platform. And thank you.